6. Our festivals. Hi children. India is known as the country of festivals. Every month of the calendar holds a festival that one can enjoy in India. Indian festivals are celebrated according to the solar and lunar calendars. Consequently, dates and months may vary accordingly. Every religion has its own set of festivals that the entire nation celebrates. Each festival has its own style of celebration. The traditions and celebration of the same festival also vary from one region to another. The festivals have a significant story or history behind them. This story is the key reason to all the rituals and customs that are performed for them. This is the reason for the amount of importance given to the rituals and customs. In this lesson, you will learn about the festivals celebrated in India.
6. Our festivals. India is a land of many festivals. To most children, a festival is a time of fun and joy. We wear our best clothes. We enjoy a lot of special dishes. During these days, fairs are held. People visit these colorful fairs in their best costumes. They sing, dance, and enjoy here. That is the main reason why people anxiously look forward for festivals. These festivals are celebrated all over the country and sometimes in certain states only and sometimes locally. Festivals might be national, religious, cultural, and harvest related. Some festivals are celebrated in the memories of birth anniversaries of great personalities. Festivals are classified into national festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals, and local festivals. National festivals. The national festivals are celebrated throughout the country. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are considered as national festivals. Besides these, Teachers' Day and Children's Day are also celebrated. On these days, the schools, colleges, offices, and markets are closed as a mark of respect. Independence Day. We celebrate the Independence Day on 15th of August every year. In 1947, on this day, India got independence. A large number of people gathered at the Red Fort in Delhi to celebrate the occasion. Our Prime Minister unfurls, hoists the national flag at the Red Fort and gives his message to the people from there. The entire nation celebrates it at large and pays respect to all the freedom fighters who have struggled to get India free. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on the 26th of January every year. On this day in 1950, India became a sovereign democratic republic. We got our constitution on this day. In Delhi and all other important state capitals, Republic Day parades are held. It is a big event in the nation's capital. The president takes the salute at the march past along Rajpath. Teams of dancers, musicians, artists, and others from all the states take part in it. Tanks, aeroplanes, and many types of military vehicles and bands, children from schools move in a big procession along Rajpath. Children who receive bravery awards are given an elephant ride. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji, the father of the nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. His birthday has a special place in the history of India. The whole country pays homage to him on this day. Prayers are held at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi at New Delhi. Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on the 14th of November as it is the birthday of Pandit Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much and the people lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. He also said that the present children are the future citizens. Teachers' Day. Every 5th September, the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the late President of India, is celebrated as the Teachers' Day. He was the first teacher by profession and later became the President of India. The teachers are honored on this day.
Religious festivals. There are several religious festivals as there are different religions in India. So, India is called Unity in Diversity. These festivals are celebrated only in certain parts of the country.
Dashara. It is celebrated in most parts of our country. This marks the victory of good over evil. It is also called as Vijayadashmi. We celebrate Navaratri and the 10th day is Dashara. The effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burnt. This festival is celebrated in memory of the victory of Rama over Ravana. Rama Leela, depicting the life of Rama, is staged in Delhi. Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal. In Gujarat, men and women perform dances with sticks every evening during Navaratri. This dance is of two varieties, Ras and Garba. Ganesh Chaturthi. It is celebrated all over India. It marks the birthday of Lord Ganesh, the god who eliminates obstacles. It is celebrated for 9 days and the idols of Lord Ganesh are immersed in rivers and tanks. Delicious food items prepared of rice flour are offered to Lord Ganesh. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is one of the most important festivals. It marks the new year for businessmen. People whitewash their houses before Diwali. Diwali night is the best night. Earthen lamps are lighted. Crackers are set off. We should stand at a distance from burning crackers. Eid. It is also an important festival of our country. Muslims gather in mosques. They offer namaz. It is a way of worship. People exchange sweets and greetings. People hug each other with pleasure after the namaz. Christmas. Christmas is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. It is celebrated every year throughout the world. Beautifully decorated Christmas trees are seen in many homes on this day. Santa Claus brings gifts for children. People exchange greetings and gifts. Onam. Onam is a festival celebrated in Kerala. It lasts for 4 days. There are also boat races. People sing and dance and celebrate it with pomp. Batukamma. Batukamma is Telangana's floral festival celebrated by the Hindu women of Telangana. Every year this festival is celebrated in September to October. Batukamma is celebrated for 9 days during Durga Navaratri. Batukamma is a beautiful flower stalk arranged with different unique seasonal flowers in 7 concentric layers in the shape of temple gopuram. Gauramma, a symbolic idol of Gauri made of turmeric, is placed on top of flowers. This little floral mountain is worshipped as goddess of Batukamma. Finally, these Batukammas are left in the ponds.
Besides these festivals, people also celebrate harvest festivals like Basant Panchami and Pongal. They also celebrate Rakhi, Guru Parab, Mahavir Jayanti and Buddha Purnima.
Pongal. Pongal, a harvest festival, is celebrated in the month of January. This harvest festival is celebrated with decorated cows, processions, and decorative rangoli. Pongal is also a sweet dish made from newly harvested rice and jaggery. It is eaten by all the members of the family. Let's revise the important points. 1. Festivals are a time of fun and joy for children. 2. Festivals are classified into national festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals, and local festivals. 3. National festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. 4. Religious festivals are Eid, Christmas, Onam, Dashera, Diwali, Batukamma, etc. 5. Harvest festivals are Basant Panchami and Pongal. Besides, there are other festivals like Raksha Bandhan, Mahavir Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, etc.